What are you doing the tornado sirens? There's no tornado. The heck are they? Tornado? Yeah, those are tornado sirens. And look at the sky. There is no tornado, obvious. Yeah, I'm like looking around. There is no tornado. Oh, it's a oh. Okay. Horn War. K. No. RS3L versus tornado siren. This might not be. It really does sound like there's another train, you guys, but look. There's no other train. It just sounds like it. Yeah, but there's. I should record like that, but I think I should record like this. There's a bridge over there, too. There's something wrong with that train. There's something wrong. Is that derailed or what? Because that's really... Is that wheel on the track? That does not look like it's on the track. Yeah, that wheel does not look like it's on the track. That looks turned too much. But probably not. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, and you guys, if you want to... Oh, he's on this track. OMG. Is he? No, he's not. If you want to see this train, then just the loco sitting with auto racks, then go look at another video. Here, let me just show you like the train a little bit there before it's covered by more locomotives. You don't even have your headlights on. How? Why don't? Oh, you do. Do you? Yeah, you might, but it really doesn't look like you have your headlights on. Aha, it was you blowing your horn. It was you. No way. This is a long train. Bye-bye, intermodal. You've been a good train, but an interesting train at the same time. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. No more tornado sirens. Tornado's over, you guys. Tornado's over. The tornado of train is over. It's over. Oh, you know, this train's not so long. This isn't so bad. I'm still gonna see the rest of this intermodal. I don't think we missed one car since I painted it down there. I don't think I only missed one car. If I do miss some, it will be like 5 cars. It will not be anything. But if he stops, then I might just have to point it over there. What? Is that a high rail? That's a high rail.
Oh, okay. I hope he's not going to tell us to...
Just shush. It's a high rail. No, wait, that's not a high rail. No, that's not even a truck for the railroad, is it? I don't know, but I don't know, don't care. Don't know, don't care. I'm focusing on the train, not on details. More tornadoes. I could run fast. I could run faster than this train. Maybe. I know Usain Bolt could, but I don't know if I could. I'm not even gonna try to judge this train. I don't know how fast it's going. Maybe. Wow, that was kind of fast for a train. Oh, reverse. It's quiet. It's really quiet. Gosh, this train's just about to be. I wonder if the engineer thinks there's a real tornado and they like got a signal. Stop, stop. Never race a tornado. Because that would be pretty funny if that's what happened. Like they thought there was a real tornado, so they stopped the train. That would be funny, but I don't really think that happens. Okay, is that the end of this humongous train? Oh, and we still missed a few cars of this intermodal, but like you can see some more cars in the front of this intermodal. Train's over. Train's over. That's it. This would be a really cute thumbnail. But thank you for watching. Ow.